The Battle of Marston Moor, fought on July 2, 1644, during the English Civil War, was a pivotal confrontation between the Royalist and Parliamentarian forces. It took place near the village of Long Marston in Yorkshire, England. The Royalist army, led by Prince Rupert of the Rhine and the Marquess of Newcastle, faced the combined forces of the Parliamentarians, commanded by Lord Fairfax, Sir Thomas Fairfax, and the Earl of Manchester. The battle began with a fierce artillery exchange, followed by a series of cavalry charges from both sides. Despite initial Royalist successes, including breaking through the Parliamentarian centre, the tide turned when the Parliamentarian cavalry, under Oliver Cromwell's command, launched a devastating counterattack. Cromwell's disciplined iron sides routed the Royalist cavalry, shattering their flank and driving them from the field. The Parliamentarians secured a decisive victory, with the Royalists suffering heavy casualties and losing thousands of men, including many officers. The Battle of Marston Moor was a significant turning point in the English Civil War, consolidating Parliamentarian control in the north of England and weakening the Royalist cause. It marked the beginning of Cromwell's rise to prominence within the Parliamentarian army and paved the way for subsequent Parliamentarian victories.